Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the control key is not working on your keyboard, then watch this video for the solution. The first thing we need to check is if the control key on your keyboard is physically damaged or is intact. So for that, we will preferably use a third external keyboard and plug it into the system. And then we'll check if the control key works on the external keyboard. If it doesn't, then that means the software issue. If it does, this means that your control key might be physically damaged. So let's move on to the next fix, that is to run the hardware and devices troubleshooter. So press the Windows and the R key together and enter the command msdt.exe space -id space DEVICE and press enter. Now click on next and wait for the hardware to detect and fix the issue. If that doesn't work, then you need to update the drivers. It could be a problem with the drivers. So look for device manager and then we will look for the keyboard drivers. Right click, click on update driver and search automatically for drivers. Do the same thing for this one too. Update driver and search automatically for drivers. Now, if this two doesn't work, then you can reinstall the driver. Click on this, click on uninstall driver, click on uninstall again, and then you need to click on keyboard, here on keyboard, and then click on action, scan for hardware, and you can see that it will be reinstalled. Do this for the second keyboard device also. And now if that too doesn't work, there's only one workaround. You can't call this a fix, but it's a workaround. You need to restart Windows Explorer. So look for the task manager, and then we look for Windows Explorer. Here it is. Click on it and then click on restart task. And in a while you should be able to use the control key. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.